Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like AUD CAD, Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 12 March 2021. Please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Okay. So if you watch my yesterday's video, then hopefully you are in a good profit because I told you to short term market once you get the price rejection from the 50 moving average, and hopefully you have made good profit or still you're running in profit. Okay. And so what should be the strategy for today? Those who missed the video yesterday or those who missed the entry yesterday. Okay, so if you're looking for a new entry today, so you can take entry here. Okay, and your second entry can be again on the 50 moving average. Okay, as you have missed the entry, or if you have missed the entry around the 50 moving average yesterday, then you will have to wait for these two price levels. The first price level is this one, 0.9664. Okay, so if the market comes down to this particular point, okay, then just see how the price is reacting. Okay, if price bounces from here, let me take the pencil. If price comes down and bounces from here, okay, just see whether the price is being supported by volume or not, whether the price rejection is good enough or not. Okay, if you see that there is some good price rejection from below, okay, and the market is bouncing back, then you can go ahead and buy here. On the other hand, if you see that there is some heavy selling pressure on the market and market has breached this particular level, okay, then wait for 1 hour at least and just see how the price is doing below the level. If after 1 hour you see that okay, the support has become the resistance now and the selling pressure is too high, then you can short the market here. And on the other hand, if market doesn't come down to this particular price level, then you'll have to wait for the price to go up again and hit this 50 moving average. Once it hits the 50 moving average, just observe how the price reacts. If you see that just like yesterday, if price rejects from above and if the 50 MA provides resistance to the price, and if market reverses from there, you can short the market again. Okay, just make sure that you get the confirmation. The confirmation can be price rejection from above like this, or a big bearish candle like this, or like this. Okay, so these are the signs that you need to look for before shorting the market at 50 moving average. Okay, so if you miss the position, do not worry, there are ample of opportunities available on the market. So this is the simple analysis for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 12 March 2021. Hopefully you have understood the video, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give us thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And please do check out the Forex analysis playlist if you want to check the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much, good luck, and do subscribe. Thank you.